and today we're making easy peasy chocolate cake in the oven toaster. Yay! First, we're gonna melt our chocolate. Yay! I'll be right back. Ding! Now we're gonna mix it with the sugar. I use dark chocolate. Now mix in the heavy cream. Make sure it's not too cold. It'll harden the chocolate. Ching! Now we're gonna beat the eggs. Now put the egg inside the chocolate mix. Now we're gonna mix it. Now mix in your flour. Make sure you mix it good until you don't see the flour. Now grease your pan. Now let's bake it in the toaster oven. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Ching! And that was easy peasy chocolate cake in the toaster oven. Let's kick. That means good in Japanese. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Oishii. Oishii.